In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SMS messages from Zoho CRM, single and bulk messages. We'll walk through connecting an SMS provider to your CRM using telephony, then heading to the provider to send messages, whether you're reaching a single contact or a larger audience. Start by opening Zoho CRM and landing on the home page. From there, click the Setup icon, the little gear you'll usually find in the top right corner. This opens your admin settings, which is where SMS and calling tools are managed. In the Settings page, find the Channels section and select Telephony. This is the hub where you integrate phone and SMS capabilities with your CRM. Instead of sending directly from Zoho, you'll use a provider extension from the marketplace that plugs into your CRM data. You'll see a list of available providers. Choose the one that matches your region, budget, and messaging needs. As an example, you could select 1CX Pro for Zoho. When evaluating providers, check whether they support both single and bulk SMS, what countries they can deliver to, pricing, compliance features like opt-out handling, and whether they sync with your CRM records. Click into the provider to review details, then continue. When you're ready, set the access to all users and click Install. Giving access to all users ensures your team can send messages right away, but you can refine permissions later if needed. Follow any prompts to complete the installation. Some providers may ask you to sign into an existing account or confirm basic settings. If you're new to a provider, take a moment to review their documentation so you understand how they handle sender IDs, templates, and delivery rules. After the extension is installed, you'll see an option that says something like, "Click here to go to your provider and send your messages from there." Click that link. From this point, sending happens within the provider's portal or embedded interface. The exact layout will vary, but typically you'll be able to compose your message, choose a single contact or a list synced from Zoho, preview, and send. For bulk sends, make sure your lists are clean, numbers are formatted correctly with country codes, and that you have consent. It's wise to send a quick test message first and keep an eye on costs and daily limits. That's the flow. Home, Setup, Channels, Telephony, pick a provider, install for all users, then jump into the provider to send. If this walkthrough helped you set up SMS in Zoho CRM, subscribe for more.